But getting on to your news headlines, South African Reserve Bank Governor Lesetja Kganyago has assured the more than 20,000 depositors of VBS Mutual Bank that they will be able to withdraw their money as long as it does not exceed 100,000 rand. He said over 90% of VBS retail customers will receive their savings through Nedbank branches from Friday. Retail depositors, who include individuals, stokvels and burial societies, will be able to access their savings in VBS through a Nedbank account. U.S. President Donald Trump has nominated conservative Judge Brett Kavanaugh to the U.S. Supreme Court. Kavanaugh is a former advisor to George W. Bush and will succeed Justice Anthony Kennedy when he retires at the end of the month. Kavanaugh has demonstrated his conservative credentials on numerous occasions, including when he opposed Obamacare. And British Prime Minister Theresa May has been forced to replace another high-profile minister in the face of a Brexit backlash. Her plans to keep Britain economically close to the EU saw the resignation of Foreign Secretary Boris Johnson. He's been replaced by Minister of Health Jeremy Hunt, who voted for Britain to stay in the EU in the 2016 referendum.